Here we go, everybody. See if you can identify what year this is. Needs a little bit of love. A couple spots. She needs a little bit of love. Look at this. Look at that. Very nice. There's the other trunk lid. The orange one wasn't so nice. But you can't have no such thing as perfect. There's no such thing as that. So we're not that person. Check this out. Look at that. Tell me that. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Look at this. Oh my goodness. Do you see what I see? Look at this. Hey. Hey everybody, yeah. Don't mind my messed up driveway. We're gonna have to give that some attention. But here's what we got right here. This is a matching number 1973 Dodge Charger with a 340 Magnum. Pulled out, rebuilt, put back in. Brand new interior. Look at this. Look at this. Hear that old school sound? That 150-mile-an-hour dashboard? And look at this. That's the original miles. Not even kidding. It's on the title. That's the way she is. Look at the back. Look at this. Whoops. Look at that. Look at the headliner. Oh, she blows. She blows, bro. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, the pro you need to know. God bless.